Hello viewers, this is me from the Fixed Netflix YouTube channel, and today I will show you some methods what to do if your Vizio TV won't turn on. Don't worry, though if your Vizio TV fails to power on, there are no reasons to panic. There are a couple of possible reasons why the scenario occurs, and most cases it is not due to a broken TV. Usually it takes a few minutes and some troubleshooting to get your TV back up and running. Before we start, please keep in touch with our channel by subscribing and like and share this video with your friends so they can take benefit from this channel. So let's start. Step 1. Check the remote. If you are trying to turn on your Vizio TV using a remote and it won't turn on, it is very likely that the remote control batteries are dead. You should replace old batteries with the newer ones and give it a shot. If it still won't work, then try to turning on the TV by pressing the power button, and if the TV turns on this way, you know your remote control is dead and it's time to get a new one. Step 2. Power cycle your Vizio TV. Most of the power related issues can be resolved by power cycling your Vizio TV. Unplug the power cord of your Vizio TV from the current outlet and leave it disconnected for the few minutes. Press and hold the power button, usually on the bottom left or the right side of the TV, and for 10 seconds. Try turning on your TV again. If the power cycling your TV did not work, then you can try the next step. Step 3. Check the condition of the power cord. Loose power cord could also be one of the reasons that your TV won't turn on. You need to make sure that the connections to both the power outlet and the TV are firmly plugged in. You may want to unplug it and then plug it back in again to see if it works. If it does not, you should also check if the current outlet is working, as it could be faulty too. Step 4. Replace internal components. If you understand electronics and how they work, you can troubleshoot the board to identify the potential power problem. A Vizio TV that won't turn on is often caused by the failing the power supply board. The most common parts to fail on your power supply board are capacitors, transistors, or the diode. If the Vizio TV does have the proper power outputs but it's appearing to not turn on, then the likely culprit is the bad T-con board. In short, the time control board is the responsible for the relaying signal to the LCD or the LED screen. There is more to it, but that is the gist. If you have never disassembled a Vizio TV or any other TV for that matters, it is best to let a certified repair technician handle the repair for you. Disassembly is a very precise detail and the risk to your safety. Any wrong move and you can damage the TV or yourself, especially with all those tight and the brittle wire connections and the high power circuits. Step 5. Contact Vizio support. If any of the above solution did not work for you, the only one option is left: to contact the Vizio support for the further help. So viewers, hopefully this video will help you to resolve the problem on your Vizio Smart TV, and if any difficulties, please feel free to inform us by comments in below, and if you have any best ideas, please kindly share with us. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share this helpful video with your friends.